Drink this libido-boosting smoothie before bed. In this video, we are going to share how to make a libido-boosting smoothie for men. Ingredients: 1. Peanuts. 2. Milk. 3. Kiwi. 4. Avocado. Peanuts are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and many key vitamins and minerals. Peanuts are believed to be rich in arginine, an essential amino acid which according to studies is believed to treat erectile dysfunction. Kiwis are a rich source of vitamin E and C as compared to other fruits. Vitamin C plays a major role in the increase of testosterone levels, resulting in increased sexual desire. Avocado is a rich source of monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol level for a better function heart. A man needs a healthy and properly functioning heart so that blood can flow efficiently to sex organs. Milk is rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats that are essential for a healthy heart. The essential amino acids are necessary for your body to function properly. How do we prepare this refreshing smoothie to boost energy and strength? 1. Peel the skin of the kiwi off and cut it to pieces. 2. Peel the avocado skin off and cut it to pieces. 3. Put the cut pieces of kiwi and avocado into a blender. 4. Add peanuts. 5. Add milk. 6. Blend until it is smooth and ready to drink. 7. Pour the smoothie into a cup and enjoy for a good night of enjoyment. Drink this libido-boosting smoothie 2 hours before going to bed. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more informative videos.